Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Following up on some questions that I got regarding fishing equipment on my PSKs. I don't normally keep fishing stuff on my neck knives. There are a few that have the Grimm Workshop little finger hand lines. I got a couple of those on there that are pre-rigged up with 15-pound braid and hook and weight, and then I tape the hook to the metal hand line part of it, and then that thing is the size of a dog tag, and then it's got a rubber silencer that goes on it like a normal dog tag does, and that lives on a few, but most of the time I'm going to carry something similar to what is in front of you. So 95% of the time I have a cash cap on, and depending on if I'm going to work or I'm going home, I have two different ones. The one that I normally wear out has the new orange interior with the reflective X in it, but in all of my hats I keep, this one's been used several times but pretty funky. That's because of the weights. When they get sweat on them, they get pretty growed, but I keep this, which is one of these, and it's a hardware tube from Wazoo Survival Gear that's got 2 safety pins, a sewing needle, 3 hooks and 3 weights in it. Lives inside this, and I keep that in all of my hats. And then they also have a little tube that has line in it that lives in my hats. So that's just the hat part of it. I do carry a couple of different things that I'm also going to show you guys. So it's my hat. In my pocket I carry my little lighter the way that it's rigged up, and it has different cordages and stuff on there. So it's got your waxed hemp at the top, and then under that I keep some flavor of braided fishing line on there. So in combination with this and my hat, I got some hooks and weights and stuff. Also in my magic string, which is this guy, there lives, it's hard to see down in there, but there is one of these guys down inside my magic string. So I have duplicates regardless of what I'm doing, just kind of in small packages, so I could potentially catch fish on my magic string. So say this is in my magic string and my lighter's got fish line on it, or the hardware tube from my hat and the line on here, or both the things from my hat. I got several different ways of doing it. So most of the time I also carry some sort of pouch on the front of a knife sheath. This month I don't have one on there, but in those I always keep some form of the line tube in this guy. And in this is one of these line tubes is down here. I'm sorry, the hardware tube is down here, and the line tube runs all the way to the top. But there's also a white micro ceramic rod in here, and a little tiny ferro rod, and I think there's a couple of glow sticks in there too. But this would be in the sheath pouch, or small survival kits and whatnot have these same items in them. in some combination. There's stuff in there. So this would be the line and the hardware, you know, line and hardware in my hat. So it's gone over multiple times, but if I'm going someplace and I'm going to be there a couple of days or whatever, like when we went to Texas, I brought a fish pole, like, because we were staying right on the river, and I was going to fish. I caught a good sized catfish, and then I hooked a couple things, but other than that, I didn't catch a whole lot. But I still had the ability to. I've also shared on here the little quick draw worms thing, so it's just the 10 that I have set up like a fishing kit. It's really small. There's a few of those in different kits that I have. But hooks and line in some way I keep with me. That would be for emergency uses, or like the one in my hat if I just feel like trying to catch a fish, or it's dark and we're going to try to catch a bullfrog or something. Like, I have the ability to do those things. Now my line, there's a bunch of different lines. Some people like a super heavy line. In my case, the 15-pound braid is plenty for me. It's thin, and most of the fish that I'm going to be catching right at the edge of the water aren't monsters. And you can snatch brim all day long with a 15-pound test. And, you know, up to, you know, pretty decent sized fish anyway. You know, it'll cut you if you're not careful. So wrapping it around a stick or some gloves is a good idea. Or in this situation, you could just leave it on the lighter. So you could hold on to the lighter and run the line in between your fingers to catch the fish. There's so many options. Like, there's all kind of stuff to do, and being familiar with all of them is a good way to do it. But for emergency stuff, these little tubes and some sort of line is the way that I go about it. And you guys can mix and match all of that stuff. I know I make some pretty fun fishing equipment sometimes, but like this, I was taking pictures of that a while ago. It's just a spool with line on it, on just like a little hand line. But this would not be something I would make in an emergency situation. I would make something different, you know, a cane pole, or just fish with the line, whatever. This stuff is for fun skills practice. It's fun to catch and fish with stuff like that, but this would be what I would have just in case. Again, these are from Wazoo. Any type of line up to whatever tensile strength you guys want. That would be up to you, in color, you know, different flavors. But this, I've had good luck with this stuff. So anywho, I hope this helps emergency fishing stuff and how I keep it. You can check out all of our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. And until next time, y'all, later.